I think we better start them in that circle, the hexagon over there. So we can give the others time. So this will be empty. Because if I put them in this one, then they'll leave. I need to help them all. This is ridiculous. I have to help them when they can help themselves, but they choose not to. That is ridiculous. Oh my gosh! There's only 3 left! And there's habitat. Those 2 in the pink. No, there's 4. There's 4 more. Oh! Supposed to be going in the battle bridge area, you know. Hello? How you working? Hey, just go in. One at a time. Yeah, they're all falling now. They all came in. Those are the 4 that's left. Oh! Down came up. Wait for it. Let's see if it even comes in. Sometimes they just don't. Yep, he came in. And there he is. The racing one and that purple one. We gotta start these guys over, seriously. It'll be better when there's bigger areas for them to go.